Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. OpenCV, Open Source Computer Vision Library, is an open source computer vision and machine learning software library that allows you to work with images and videos. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing OpenCV in Python on Mac OS, OS X, and provide you with some basic code examples to get you started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites: Mac OS, OS X, operating system. This tutorial is specifically for Mac OS users. Python is pre-installed on Mac OS, but you might want to install a package manager like Homebrew for easier package management. To check if Python is installed, open the terminal and run Python 3 version. Pip, Python's package manager. You can check if it's installed by running pip 3 version in the terminal. Virtual environment, optional. It's a good practice to work within a virtual environment to keep your Python environment clean and isolated. You can install virtualenv with pip if you don't already have it. If you don't have Homebrew installed, it's a handy package manager for Mac OS. You can install it using the following command. OpenCV has several dependencies, and it's much easier to manage them with Homebrew. Run the following commands to install these dependencies. Now, let's install OpenCV using pip. This will install the Python bindings for OpenCV and all the necessary dependencies. To verify that OpenCV has been installed correctly, you can create a Python script with the following code. Save this script to a file, example opencv_example.py, and replace path/to/your/image.jpg with the actual path to an image file on your computer. Then, run the script using the following command. You should see the OpenCV version printed in the terminal and a window displaying your image. Congratulations! You have successfully installed OpenCV in Python on Mac OS and displayed an image using OpenCV. In this tutorial, you learned how to set up OpenCV in Python on Mac OS, OS X, using Homebrew and pip. You also verified the installation by displaying an image. OpenCV is a powerful library that allows you to perform various computer vision tasks, so this is just the beginning of what you can do with it. Explore the OpenCV documentation and tutorials to dive deeper into its capabilities. Happy coding! ChatGPT